we are going to see about the microbes in medicine field, how it is useful in all aspects, how far the medicines are being used by the microorganism we are going to see. So in this topic we are going to concentrate about two important things. One is antibiotics and the next one is vaccines. Okay. What do you mean by antibiotic? It is nothing but it's a chemical substance used to kill or to stop the growth of other living organisms. Other living organisms are nothing but here the host, the pathogenic microorganism we can say. Growth of other or microbes. And the best example for the antibiotic, we can say it as penicillin. Okay. Okay. Next one, what do you mean by vaccines? What do you know about the vaccines? So vaccines are nothing but it is also one of the chemical compound which are being prepared by killing the microbes. Okay, totally we have to kill the microbes and after that we have to prepare. That is called as vaccine. And what is the difference between the antibiotic and vaccine means? Once a person is affected by any of the diseases, this antibiotic will be given. But vaccines are not like that. Before getting the infection, a person should be taken over as a medicine in prior condition. That is called as vaccine. So that is a small changes between these two. So here, this will be by killing or inactivating. Inactivating the microorganism. Vaccines are prepared. Okay. Can you understand? So the small changes we can say in this manner. And the example for this vaccines we can say it as BCG. Okay, for the tuberculosis person, we can go for the best example BCG, and even cholera, polio, even till 5 years old child, they will be going with the oral vaccine which is called as polio. Okay. We're going to see about the diseases. What do you mean by diseases? Dis means against. Ease means how can we protect. So diseases are nothing but which are being transmitted to a person by means of any of the vectors. Okay. Or even by ill health or abnormal food what we are taking. Because of this, the diseases may be spread over from one person to another person. And sometimes if you see, the diseases are actually the two types of diseases are there. One is communicable and another one is a non-communicable diseases. Communicable and what do you mean by communicable? Easily it is spreadable disease, and this is also called as non-spreadable disease. What do you mean by spreadable? So the disease can spread from a infected person to a healthy person. So this is called as communicable diseases. Clear? What do you mean non-communicable? Will not spread. From an infected person to healthy person. So this is called as even by sitting together or touching the person or using their utensils also, this will not be spreadable. But vice versa to this spreadable. If a person is sitting together or touching each other or even using their cloths or hanky, this can spread the diseases from one person to another person. So that is a great difference between these two, communicable and non-communicable diseases. Next we are going to see about the examples. So communicable means we can go with the cholera, jaundice, dengue. So these are all the best example we can say. And non-communicable example, cancer, heart attack, and then tumor, that is kidney failure. Clear, children? So next we have come across to the question session, learn and write. So first question, write the difference between the antibiotic and the vaccines. So with a neat example you have to explain it. And next question, what is diseases? Write the two types of diseases. Explain it. That's all, children. Thank you.